The reason for this Yale number 2 got replaced is because inside here what was happening originally, as she pulled the handle down, it was spinning and like going past the point it should be going. It was going too far and locking down and jamming up. The reason for that was, we look inside, you can see, I don't know if you can see the wear on there, see that? So what I did is I bent this bit here, I made it more flat so it was contacting a different point on this, and then put a slight little curve on there, and you can see there that it should be flat, curved, basically to stop it going too far. So if I put this back to how it was, you'll be able to see the effect, what was actually happening. So obviously I've replaced the customer's lock now, so if I put this back, straighten it up, straight, and put the, see if we can put the curve back on there again, where it was. Just see how high it was up. So this bit there, right, you can see the shape of it is different from that to that. So what's happening, it should be correct now. So let's take the spring out. What was happening, as she was putting it down, it was going past. We're not going to go in there now, there we go. Past, and then putting down. That's not quite bent up far enough where it was. With a case like that, actually. Let's try it as if it's put it all back together. So we can do the scenario for the customers, how the customer found it. So I got called up with them saying they couldn't unlock their front door from the inside, but they could on the outside. So, right. No, it's not going to do it again. Can't get that bit bent up where it was. Just purely to show you the scenario, what it could be if you go to the lock. Hang on. Where that screw come from? That might be the reason why. It's still not. That's because it's still bent. Let's put this back to where it was. It's still not quite. That was fun. Let's try this now. It's back in there. We'll put the spring back in here. It's all done. Put the case cover on. Let's do the screw up. So what happened, she got this, she put it down, and it's not going to do it again. So, it's not going to simulate it now. What had happened is this basically, where the, I don't know if you can see, down inside there, on the wear mark, on, and right at the back, down there, inside, that's where it's overshooting, but I don't think it's going to do it again now, because I've been playing around with it. I'm desperate to show you how it was when I first turned up. Another screw. That's pretty wide. There's another screw in there. Yeah, I think it's going to do it now. Yeah. Right, take that other screw that we found in there. Okay. The spring goes in here. Pulls round. Clips on. This is the something that's supposed to move. Right. Let's try it again. This is the scenario. Put this up. Right. Pull it down. There. That's it. There. So it went like this. Okay, that's what you look out for. It still works like that, but you can't do anything because it's overshot. Don't know if you can see in there, it's gone too far. So I'll take the back cover off. You can see it. It's gone too far. So if you were to do that and push it back down again, then put the cover on, be careful, because you'll go, yeah, I fixed it, and then when you do it, just put the cover on. So if you did it this way, you'd be like, yeah, that's fine, that's brilliant, works fine. If you do it this way, yeah, there you go, locked out again. So yeah, just look out for that. That's on Yale number 2. The same thing can happen on Yale number 1. Okay, cheers, thanks for watching.